Honeycrisp apple, Macintosh apple, 2 types of peaches. This one I think is called a Contender peach. And then I got this one here. This actually is not a peach. This is a cherry tree. A little dwarf's cherry tree. And then this is the other peach. I'm not sure what the name of this one is, but I forget when I buy them. Oh, this is a nectarine. Fantasia nectarine. And I think this is the last peach I threw over here. Is it a peach? Yeah. It's a peach. It's called a Arena Sweet. Oh, that's a cherry tree. That was silly of me. I thought I had 2. June 21st, 2026. This is Red Lookout at age 66.